the Britax-Römer Dualfix M Plus. This seat rear faces from 61 centimetres up to 105, which is roughly 6 months to 4 years. And I'm now going to show you how to install it in the car. These types of car seats are very quick and easy to install, so this video won't be very long. The first thing you need to do with most ISOfix car seats is fold out the support leg. So we're just going to turn it on its side. The leg is down here. You're going to fold this out until it locks into place and sit the seat back up. And now I'm going to extend the ISOfix arms. I'll do the one on this side first, which you can't see, but I'll just quickly extend it and then I'll talk you through this one. You've got 2 grey buttons there on either side, which need to be pinched together. When I do it, my hand will cover the button, but this is what you're aiming for, these 2 here. So I'm just going to do it like this, hold onto it and glide the arm all the way out. You then line the ISOfix arms up with the points in the car, and that red indicator on the side there will go green when it clicks in. Then this gap here needs to be closed between the rebound bar and the backrest of the vehicle seat. And you do that simply by pushing the seat to hear it click into place. And then I always like to give it a pull towards me to lock one side and then push it away to click the other side, and that gives a really nice tight fit. And I'll stay down here just to show you how to extend the support leg. You have to make sure that it locks all the way out as far as it can go. Then on the back here there's a button. Press that button and extend the leg down to the floor, push the bottom silver part down, and then with the other hand lift the black part up and you'll hear a click. And it's as simple as that. The seat is now fully installed, so all that's left now is for me to show you how to adjust the recline and how to rotate the seat towards the door. So the recline handle is down here, you just squeeze it and you can sit the seat up. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 recline positions, and then down here on the back there's a big grey button. You press that button, hold it down, and that then allows you to turn the seat towards the door. For young babies from 61 centimetres up to 87, and that's roughly 6 months to about 2 years, the Dualfix comes with an insert. And when the baby gets older and grows out of the insert, you can remove it simply by undoing the buckle and passing the buckle through the hole in the insert, and then it just lifts out. It's not attached in any other way. And then for older children, the seat is adjustable in height by pulling this tab at the top of the headrest, and then you can raise the headrest up into different positions as your child gets bigger. So that's how you install and adjust the Britax-Römer Dualfix M Plus. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you very soon.